So, what's up mga guys? Hello mga ma'am and sir. I am Julbert M. Lorisco. You know me on the YouTube channel, sir. You can call me Sir Julbert. So, for today's video, I will share about what are the benefits of multimedia and ICT. In this digital world, we're in advance of technology. Multimedia is a type of media that you can also access, like any gadgets, laptop, computer, smartphones, and more. Multimedia are the coverage of all social media platforms and things that you can access with it, especially the internet, who communicate us every day or daily in our life. So in this digital world, we are now focusing of it because we are now evolving the technologies that scientists made and technology. So, what is ICT? ICT is information communication technology. So, from the word information, it comes with a different information like news, communication, especially communicate with our family, and the technology, the evolving of technology. So, the benefits are you can access the internet through social media and any platforms. Then the advantages, you can access now everything like online games, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. And also like me, I'm a vlogger also. I tried to vlog and four platform, the TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So in this world, we can all access because in this generation, we are now evolving in our society and economic. So that's all. Thank you.